Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to split your video on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click a new project. Add the video that you want to edit. This one, click add at the bottom. Now, I will show you this is the original video like this, but in this video I wanna split this video, so you just click on the effect at the bottom and then click video effect, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see split. This one, click on it. And in here you can see many effects for split your video. You just click everything you like. Maybe this one, this one, this one, or this one. And after this you can click check icon, this one. And finish. So that's how to split your video on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.